Okay, so today we've got a Peugeot Bipper key, same as if on a Nemo and Fiat Ducato and Fiorino, and this is a really common key now. And we're going to change the battery. So the first thing is that this here is where the battery compartment is. This is an insert into the key, and if you look on that screw there, you can see that the screw is pointing to the locked padlock, and you just need to alter it to turn it a little bit so that it shows unlocked. Okay, once you've done that, just get your screwdriver, pop it in there. You don't have to force it, it'll come open really easily. Take that out, pop that out of the way. So this is your insert, okay? And then to get the key battery out of the insert, turn it over and you just pop a screwdriver in the back of there. And that means that the battery can just be pulled out. The battery is a 2032, really common. Most key batteries are 2032s now. This one's fine, so we're going to pop it back in. Okay, and now then, when you put this back into here, there's just a little trick that you've got to do. You've got a little ridge there, okay, that's there to locate into a groove that is just where my screwdriver's going there. Okay, you can't really see it if we put the key there, but it must go under that groove, otherwise it won't shut. So thing to do is to push that in and then push that hard down so that it goes underneath, and when you're happy that it's there, push this down. You might have to get a screwdriver and give it a bit of a push because they don't always close properly. Then change that to the lock position, and you'll know if it's correct because, okay, so that's wrong. That is not down properly, so let's have a look why. It's good that we showed you that, of course, on purpose. Okay, and that's because that end's okay, but this end is not down properly. So I'm just going to give it a push. There you go, right. And now give it a twist, and hopefully that is that. Okay, so that's working properly. So that was simply because this end wasn't pushed down far enough. Okay, something was getting in the way there. So there you go. So if it's done right, the keel blade will go back home, and then with a 3-button Peugeot, Citroen or Fiat key, you are good to go.